Let's talk about the difference between a broker and an advisor whenever it comes to managing your employee benefits. At face value, it can be kind of difficult to tell these two apart. However, there are a few different characteristics that really help explain the difference. So for a broker, when it comes to your benefits, they're typically looking at this in 12-month cycles where their strategies are meant for the next 12 months. Meanwhile, an advisor expands their view. They don't just look at it in 12 months, they look at it in 3 to 5 year increments. They provide you an outlook of where you are today and a roadmap of where you can be tomorrow. A broker will have a typical carrier carousel. That's a term that I like to use whenever an employer uses a health insurance carrier for a few years. The rates get too high, another health insurance carrier comes in, buys down those rates until those rates get too high, and then you just keep switching carriers every 3 to 4 years. The advisor doesn't want you bouncing back and forth every few years. They want to provide long-term viability to your benefit plan strategies. And one of the problems with the broker, and the reason that the carrier carousel exists, is because the broker is typically providing the same options. And usually that's going to be the traditional, fully insured options. Whenever it comes to the advisor, sometimes it may make sense for you to be in that traditionally fully insured market, but they're also going to analyze your funding strategies. Is there money to be had in a level funded arrangement? Or can we build long-term savings through a self-funded arrangement? When it comes to compliance, the broker may tell you a couple of things, and they may provide you some information and some pamphlets about different compliance strategies, but the advisor is going to help you actually implement compliance strategies so that way your benefit plans are in line with the current compliance legislations. At the end of the day, the broker's job is to sell you insurance products. The advisor, however, takes it upon themselves to help you manage your health insurance costs, and they do that by helping implement strong cost containment solutions, building compliance strategies, making sure that your funding is correct, and all of this goes back to building long-term viability for your organization and for your employees. The end goal of the broker is to sell insurance. The end goal of the advisor is to help you lower costs.